Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I know that a lot of this video is probably going to be covered with music, and that's I have no really control over that. Well, I guess I do, but whatever. Anyway, I'm going to put you guys down here. Let's see how this thing starts up. Hopefully my GoPro stays there and doesn't roll away. I haven't choked it. This is going to be the first initial start. Oh, this is really, I guess it's supposed to be like that. Sounds good so far. Let me put you all in here because I actually have to cut over here. So this works out. I get to test the mower I just fixed. And also cut my grass a little bit because I missed all this. Alright, let's adjust something, YouTube. Here. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. We're gonna adjust that cable because that's. Actually, I'll just take you all along with me. This thing is barely activating. All right, here we go. Let's get her done. 7/16. People just really don't know how to adjust this stuff. It's amazing. Like, my buddy just got this back from a not mechanic shop, but a mower shop that supposedly adjusted all this, but God, they do a horrible job. Gotta have tension on the drive. It's a little bit better. If it's not going all the way, you'll end up frying your belt. So I don't know what people are thinking. Oh, I guess they want that to happen. I don't know. I'm just, once I fix something, I want it to be fixed for a long time. Even this, that's ridiculous. Well, but I guess there's no fix to this. There's no way to actually adjust this one. So we'll leave it like that. Let's give it a shot now. Oh boy. This in here. Nice. I don't want this light to burn out. Put that in there. Alright, let's give this a shot now. Should actually engage. I guess we'll find out in a minute. Again, it's like little stuff like this you can always do on your own. Alright, YouTube, that's it. We fixed her. So it never had the correct carburetor on it. It had like a, I don't even know, but had the wrong carb on it. It's like I said, little stuff like this can make or break how something runs. Let's see, is that in? I think that's in. Just barely, but she's in. And that's the carb that was on it. There we go. Away she goes. On to the next one, I guess. And again, this is a Toro 22-inch recycler. Nice. I give him a call now. Tell him his mower is ready to go. That's it. Like I said, just a new carb. New filter. I didn't even change the oil. The oil looked okay. But needed a new carb. A few little things here and there. I think I added another not a zip tie, a clip or two. So that's it. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now. I don't want to hold you all. Have a good one.